Welcome to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I will show you how can we install NetHunter Linux on Windows without any dual boot. First, make sure on your PC virtualization is enabled before starting the installation. Then we need to download VirtualBox and Kali Linux installer image according to our PC specification. I will put the download link in the description. You can simply go to their website and download it from there. I already downloaded both files just to save time. Now I am going to run the setup. First, we are going to install VirtualBox. I am going to run the VirtualBox setup. Just hit Next and Next again, and hit Install. To install VirtualBox. Once the VirtualBox is installed, then we will install our Kali Linux system on it. After installation, just open the VirtualBox and select the machine option, then choose option, New. Then in name give a name like Kali iOS. Then in iOS image select the downloaded file of Kali Linux image, the one we have downloaded earlier, then hit Next. Then give the RAM and CPU memory. You want to give it to Kali Linux, then hit Next. Then choose the hard drive space you want to give it to Kali Linux, and hit Next. Then just hit Finish. Now we can see the Kali iOS box in the VirtualBox. Now simple, just hit Start to run the Kali Linux system setup. Once the Kali Linux system appears, just hit Enter to install first. The graphical install. It will take a little while depending on your PC specs. The first option, it will give you, choose the language according to your choice, and then hit Next. Then select your location and hit Continue. Then configure the keypad and hit Continue. It will take a little while to load the additional components. Then just write the host name and hit Continue. Now just write the username and password and then hit Continue. Now select the guided, use entire disk option and hit Continue. Now choose the hard disk and hit Continue. Now select the all files in one partition and hit Continue. Then select Finish Partitioning and write changes to the disk. And hit Continue. Now select Yes and hit Continue. Now it will take a little while to install the base system. Once it's done, then select the desktop environments. You want to install on Kali Linux, then hit Continue. This will take some time to install. Once it's done, then install the GRUB bootloader. And select the option Yes and hit Continue. Then choose the option Hard Disk and hit Continue. It will also take some time to install it. That's it, our installation is completed now. Just hit Continue to reboot. As you can see, our Kali Linux system start booting now in VirtualBox. On the first time, it might take some time to start the Linux system. There we go. Our Kali Linux system is installed successfully in VirtualBox. Now simple use your name and password we created before and hit login. I will suggest you to install this system in your Windows, because I will share a lot of tools in my future videos that will run via Linux NetHunter. So if you have a PC, then go for it. I already posted a video of NetHunter installation on non-rooted Android phones, but after testing I see most of the tools don't works on non-rooted phones. That's why I decided to go for this setup. In my future videos, I will share NetHunter installation on non-rooted phones. As you can see, our Kali NetHunter Linux system is installed properly and running without any errors. This is the easiest setup to run Linux system on your Windows, without booting with USB or dual boot, etc. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe.